Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these rag & bone sunglasses, model RNB1032S in color code VK6NQ. The color of the frame is white. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are square shape and the lenses are silver mirrored. The temples are gold and the temple tips are white. You'll also find the rag & bone logo engraved on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. On its inner right temple, you'll find the rag & bone logo, and on its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a rag & bone case and a rag & bone dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.